Navigating flood restorating in San Diego, dealing with the aftermath of a flood in sunny San Diego. Welcome to your trusted course for valuable insight into disaster recovery. In this vital video, we'll dive deep into the world of flood restoration in San Diego. If your home has been affected by flooding, we're here to guide you through the process of rejuvenation, netting your living space. Let's restore comfort and tranquility you to your home together. Embracing the challenges of flood restoring in San Diego. You're not alone on this video journey. Join us as we explore the critical steps required to reclaim your living space from the aftermath of a flood. From water extractions to mold prevention, this video is your beacon of hope. Navigate the immediate action needed after a flood hits. We'll discuss how to prioritize safety, assess the damage, and initiate the process of water removal from your home. Taking swift action can significantly reduce the extent of the damage. Discover the potential long-term consequences of untreated flood damage, from structural deterioration of health to health hazard like mold growth. Well, shed light on why prompt flood restoration is essential to maintaining a safe and healthy living environment. Unable the strategies of finding reputable professional for food flood restoration in San Diego will guide you through the process of selecting experienced contractors how specialize in assessing flood damage accurately and executing effective restoring plans. Learn about the comprehensive stage of flood damage restoring from through drying and defecation to repairing and rebuilding affected areas. Will walk you through the step by step process of revitalizing your home. Join our communities. Join our community of homeowners who are determined to rebuild and restore. Hit that like button of your committed to embracing the challenges of flood recovery. Head on. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical disaster recovery advice from home safety tips and insight into the restoration process. Whether you are dealing with the effect of a burst pipe and a sudden storm or any other case of flooding, understanding food restoration in San Diego in is critical. By the end of this video, you will be equipped with the knowledge to embark on the journey to reclaiming your home and creating a safe haven once more.